Thank you so much for staying, for coming tonight. Thank you for celebrating a wonderful, wonderful run with us tonight. It was such an amazing season, regardless of what the outcome was. I had so much fun. I hope you did too. And tonight is all about celebration. Tonight is all about me.
Yes! And there's no other way that we would have it. So palakpakan natin si Marina Summers. At ilalabas na namin ang aming upuan. Ilalagyan natin ang ating mic stand, ang ating front team. Mic stand, mabilis na freshen up lang. Ihanda nyo na ang inyong mga tanong. Okay, huwag kayong mahiyang magtanong kung may right med ba ito. Okay, pila tayo dito.
Uy, medyo maayos-ayos na yung upuan. Alam nyo, may nag-upload sa inyo ng full video.
Correct.
Nilalait nila yung upuan.
Totoo.
Akala ko napapahamak ako, pero yung inaano nila yung upuan. Kaya ngayon, i-post nyo to. Medyo okay na siya. Yung last time, gray na medyo may konting blue. Ngayon, ano lang siya, brown na may konting gray.
Okay, so are we ready for the Q&A, guys? Okay, so start us off. So, pila lang po tayo. I'll ask the first few questions just to get a vibe going. And then feel free to line up here and ask. Ito po, palakpakan natin. Of course, si Paul Cese.
Yes!
The fan. Ayan. Okay. Sige.
Yung mga nasa taas, pwede rin magtanong.
Pwede rin kayo magtanong. Isigaw nyo na lang doon. Yung tanong nyo. Ayan, malamig naman. We're good. Okay, sige. I guess ang una kong tanong ay, how's tour life? Kamusta? I mean, we saw it with Aquaria, with Kendall Jenner, with Venus, with Nikki Doll. I mean, girl, how was that life?
You know, touring is like an ultimate dream of mine, and for it to be finally happening, even during the middle of the show, was just like so fulfilling. Sobrang eye-opener na. Na-realize ko na ang hirap pasayahin ng mga Pilipino.
Kasi sa kanila, anong standards?
Hindi. Para magka-standing ovation ako dito, kailangan kong mag-ganon-ganon. Kailangan kong ganyan-ganyan.
Doon?
Marina Summers! Nakaganon na sila. No, kasi sa kanila lang yung grabe yung appreciation nila sa Queens. And kayo din naman. Hello.
Sabay bawin, oh.
Uuwi ba ako dito kung hindi ko alam na ganun kayo? Diba? Hindi, wala naman sa tip yan. Like, nakita ko yung supportan niyo all throughout. Pero yung touring talaga, grabe siya. Sobrang eye-opener niya. Na pwede pala akong tumayo lang.
Pero dito hindi pwede.
Ina-hospital na ako. Dito, magkabali-bali na. Ewan ko ba? Hindi. And it just shows na marami ring mga Filipino fans talaga abroad who are willing to show up in every single show. That's why we have, you know, all of my shows, thankfully, are all sold out. I can proudly say that. Because we did a few, like all of the shows sold out.
Yes.
So sobrang proud ako for that. It just shows na yung fans natin ng Drag Race Philippines, ng Filipino drag, ay hindi lang sa social media. And just like you guys, na kayo yung real fans who shows up for the shows, di ba? Kayo yung pumupunta sa mga shows ng mga queens. And nakita ko rin yun na grabe pala talaga yung narating nung reach ng Drag Race Philippines and versus the world.
Yes.
Grabe siya. Medyo OA siya, pero ang saya.
Grabe ang Pinoy all over the world, di ba? Kaya magaling tayong troll farms kasi nga grabe ang dedication. Right? Okay, so let's try to pick up where we left off. So you left episode 5 after Born to Do Drag. So wala ka na dito nung Release Me Fever. Guys, grabe sa Manila nung Release Me Fever. Girl, grabe. As in, sa feed namin, as in, parang may troll farm yung Release Me. Ganun yung level niya. And you know, a lot of people were saying, I think we can all agree that was best lip sync of the season. Right?
Of the year.
Of the year. And a lot of people were saying, very interesting as I read the comment section, people were saying you did not to do the reveal because sa start pa lang daw, you had the bag already. But do share with us, I don't know, the strategy, how you approach that and do it with Hannah. Tell us more about Release Me.
Yeah, like when may mga nagsabi na I didn't have to do the reveal for me to win that. But I knew I was gonna win that lip sync first of all. What I wanted to do is make an iconic lip sync. And that's what I did. That's why ginawa ko pa rin yung reveal, even though, and ayoko rin kasi magkatumbling-tumbling, ayoko mag-split. So, sabi ko, ano kaya yung gimmick gagawin ko? Ay, meron pala akong itong damit. Yung damit na yun, hindi talaga siya, like, baon ko lang siya. Hindi siya meant for any lip sync talaga. Sabi ko, okay, baka kailangan na ng ganito, or baka kailangan for lip sync, pero hindi talaga siya for Release Me, or some sort of like lip sync. Talagang baon ko lang siya. Parang, yun nga yung huli namin pinak nila Paul kasi meron kaming kaunting excess pa na space or like na kilo dun sa luggage namin. So sabi ko, dali na nga natin doon just in case kasi love ni Mama Ru ng Maki. Etong itim na bodysuit baka kailanganin sa lip sync somewhere along the line. Ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, ano gagawin ko? Tapos release mo yung the night before, binigay sa amin yung track sa amin namin. Sabi ko siya, ano kayong gagawin ko just in case? Kasi I know na I'm gonna do well on the challenge. So nag-rehearse na kami nung gabi. Nag-rehearse na kami nung gabi, tapos sabi ko siya, parang natatalk to ako this episode.
Kasi ano yung napansin mo doon sa iba?
Hindi, sabi ko, ang galing ko kasi.
Tama naman, my point.
We're not gonna bring anyone down just to make ourselves look good. I don't need to do that. So yun, sabi ko, parang kailangan gumimik na parang, okay, if it's gonna be my third win, it has to be a moment. And sabi ko, ay, meron ako nito, try ko nga. Actually, hindi ko alam na mag-work yung reveal at all. Kasi hindi ko naman siya na-practice, hindi ko siya alam na mag-work, and it wasn't meant for that. Nung una, nung sinuot ko yung, parang nag-top 2 na, di ba? Marina Summers and Hannah ko nag-top 2, tapos backstage na. Meron lang kami 30 minutes na change, pakinggan yung lyrics and everything, ganyan. So, sinuot ko na yung Bob Mackie dress. Sabi ko, paano ko itatago tong mga tassels na to? Sinuot ko yung bodysuit. Sabi ko, shit, kakapiranggot lang yung tawag ng pudya. Kakapiranggot lang. Sabi ko, ano to? Mali. Tapos nagsuot na lang ako ng black na panty. Sabi ko, black na panty na lang, hindi ko siya ginagawa. Nagmukha naman siyang balakang. Sa mga naghahanap ng padding, ayun na po yun. Yes, na po yun. So, sabi ko, shit, sana mag-work yung reveal and everything. Pero I knew what, syempre queen of timing ako, diba? Alam ko kung paano mag-time ng mga So sabi ko, okay, sa part na ito, magtatanggal ako ng gloves, parang mangyari yung essence ng song na, okay, release me from this venomous chunk. Venomous? Turn mo into something glamorous, something. Tapos kung nakita di ba parang ginanong ko siya, sinira ko yun kasi sabi ko, clean kong ganyan, really, ayaw siya. So may pasa ako sa batok nun. May pasa ako sa batok, dear. Sabi ko, shit, sakit siya. Tapos sinira ko na lang siya. Tapos siya ako siya tinapon. Tapos yun, the rest was history.
Another insider, you said you wanted to do an iconic lip sync sa Release Me. Hindi to nilagay sa edit, but you got a special comment from the panel after the lip sync before the winner was declared. Do share with everyone.
I know, syempre sa history ng Drag Race, marami talagang hindi sumasama sa final edit. Maraming time kasi, ayun naman. Masyado nang mahaba yung episode. So after nung lip sync namin, mangyari na yung lip sync, sabi ni Mother RuPaul, ladies, I've made my decision. That was sickening! Akin na to. Sabi nga, that was sickening. So, sayang hindi sumama sa con, pero nung sinabi niya yun, okay na ako, pwede na ako kumimlay after that. Kasi pagod na ako eh. But yeah, I'm glad that I did that. I'm glad na hindi ko change yung performance ko kahit na kampante ako. And that's like, yun talaga ako as a person, kahit na kampante ako. Hindi pwedeng i-shortchange ko yung sarili ko, yung audience ko. Lalo na kung alam kong deserve nila, alam kong deserve ko.
Alam na yun.
And that should be the case for all the artists, di ba? Kung kaya pa, go. Kung hindi, as long as masaya ka at sa ipapakita mo, go. Kasi at the end of the day, that's your work and you should be proud of your work.
Palakpakan natin si Marina Summers. Okay, now time for our audience questions. Pila lang po tayo, huwag tayo mahiya. We have room for...
Kayo din.
Last na to, dear. Baka ipatawag na siya sa Cherias. Ipatawag sa kulungan.
Sa embassy. Kasi
Kasi
inaantay ko yung visa ko.
okay.
Para sa...
Ayan, dito tayo. Sige, isigaw na lang po yung tanong.
Kwento ng Duda Marina moment.
Pakwento ng Duda Marina moment.
Yung exit.
Yes.
Alam mo, hindi talaga ako nag-prepare ng exit. Oo, like hindi talaga. Yun yung hindi ako prepared. Sa lahat ng pinag-prepare ko, yun ang hindi ako handa. So, actually, ang nangyari noon, so in-announce na si Hana yung nanalo, ganyan. Tapos, Marina Summers, this is not your time. Thank you for an amazing season. Now, sa Shay Away. Hindi ko alam, kasi walang nag-brief ko anong gagawin after exit na lang ba? So, ang tagal ko nakatayo. So, yung tingin sa akin ni Rupong, nakaganyan siya. Anong gagawin na ito? Magpo-protesta ba ito? Magwawala ba ito? Nasa lang ko, anong gagawin ko? Magme-message pa ba ako? Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Sabi ko, can I speak? Sabi ko sa producers, can I speak? Sabi ko, oh, thank you so much for giving this to me. Mas kung nag-exit na ako, sabi ko, kailangan iconic ko. So, namampa lang akong ganyan. So, paano na ako nung gumaganyan-ganyan na ako? Nakikita ko yung mukha na lubulit. Gumaganyan na siya, sabi ko, shit, parang maling chance ko na to. So, ganyan ako. Tapos yung muli kong ganyan, sabi ko, teka mama, utusan ko muna. Duda Marina, kung ano yung nasa edit, ganun na ganun siya, pero mas mahaba. Sobrang tagal nung inantay namin. Kasi hindi namin alam kung pipitik pa si mother o papatuhin niya. So sabi ko, Duda Marina! Tapos, yung itsura niya, nakaganyan lang siya sa akin. Tapos nakikita mo, kasi tahimik talaga. Maririnig mo, hindi makikita mo. Maririnig mo, tahimik talaga. Tapos, lahat kami nakaabang. As alam mo, nagtalunan lahat. Even yung mga producers, yung mga staff. Kasi hindi nila akalain. Kasi si Mother, hindi talaga siya gumagalaw ng ano, di ba? Bawal!
Ang ilaw kasi niya, di ba?
Wala yung Paris filter. Uy, di Paris filter. Person, ganun talaga siya sa TV. In fairness naman. Pasabog naman siya. So, nung gumanon siya, wala lahat ng tao. Sabi ko, okay, done. Job here. So, yun yung nangyari naman.
Grabe.
Kaya sobrang ang happy ko dun sa exit ko. Na kahit, kahit minsan man lang na umexit ako. Naging iconic siya. I think it's iconic. Ako lang nakapagputos kay RuPaul. Na hindi niya ako pinaki na ganyan.
Okay, what an amazing story. Okay, next question kay Michael. Tayo po tayo.
Hello,
Pangalan, location, IG handle. Charis. Oh.
I'm Ben. And congratulations sa world domination.
Thank you.
Ang question is there anything you'd like to say to young Chicana Fury?
Ay!
Sino yan? Sino the who?
Chicana flirt.
Chicana Fury.
Chicano flirt? Kung nasan ka man, kano mo yan. Sana lumaki kang mabuti, masiyahin, masipag, at sana lumaki kang magsuot ng tamang shade ng foundation. Kasi yung white cast medyo ano, medyo kamukha ko siya, no?
Hindi ba ikaw yan?
Medyo kamukha ko siya ng ano, tingnan mo kamukha ko, di ba?
Grabe naman.
Sino yun? Sino siya? Ano siya? Influencer, ganyan?
Nakita ko lang po sa Facebook group ng Drag.
Kung ano-ano na pupulot niya sa Facebook. Dapat talaga yung wala yung Facebook ng mga ano eh.
Okay, salamat for that throwback. No? Next question. Pila po tayo, wag mahiyaan, dami-dami natin. Guys, dati sobrang daming nagtatanong. You here?
Hi, it's my first time here at
Ay,
Universe the
hello.
World. From iconic on-air moments, ano yung favorite mong on-aired moment from the entire season?
Ito ko na siya last time eh.
Ano to? Baka
Yung first interaction namin ni RuPaul.
Ayan, hindi pa nila na
Na out of drag. So, episode 3 na ata nga kami nakita out of drag, diba? Tapos pumasok siya sa workroom, ganyan, naka-out of drag kami. Tapos medyo naramdam nung nagbibihis ako sa hotel. So, medyo naramdaman ko na napapasok siya today. So, parang papasok si Mother sa workroom today. Kasi parang 2 episodes na. Kamusta naman yung payroll niya kung di siya pumasok? Baka magbukbok na yun. So, mukhang papasok siya today. Ay, ibusa. Ibusa. Yung kaldero, takpan nyo, ha? Sayang naman yung premiums na. So, asa na nga ako?
Papasok si Mother sa
Oo, so
office.
sabi ko parang papasok si Mother today. So, nagsuot ako ng magandang damit. Magka-cut off na ako ng suit today. Mag-heels nga ako today. Uy, nag-heels ni... Not that it added something. Ano nangyari masyado. Kahit nag-heels ko, ganun pa din. So, ano yung suot ko, tapos sumasok siya, tapos naka-off yung cam, nakapwesto na siya, bago niya i-discuss yung challenge. Sabi niya sa akin, "Oh, so chic."
Ay.
So, ayun. Ayun lang.
Siguro sundutan natin para doon sa mga wala nung episode 1. Yung talent show, yung boy set up. Nung hindi first time ka makita ng panel, na parang, is that Georgios? Yung sabi nila.
Oo. So, naglalakad ako. Hindi ko naman favorite yun. So, naglalakad. Kasi kailangan namin paano ba?
Yung set up ng boy.
So, main stage, ito yung main stage, ito yung judges, di ba? So, dito yung upuan namin. Imagine niyo na lang. Ito yung yung upuan namin. So, dito kami manggagaling sa backstage na to. Kailangan namin dumaan sa harapan ng judges. Ako yung nahuli kasi na-set up yung boy and everything, inaayos namin. So, ako yung huling lakad ako ganyan. Tapos narinig ko si Michelle ata, sabi niya, "Is that Georgios?" Award.
Nanalo ka na.
Gusto mo sabihin ko.
Next question? I guess.
If there's one thing that you could change about how you approached your run or your performance, what is it?
Wala, I don't think I can do anything different from that run. I think yung mga low moments man or yung mga high moments, it served its purpose for my story in this season. Yeah, kahit nung mga episodes na medyo, alam mo yun, safe lang yung performance ko, okay lang sa akin. Like, alam mo mo yun, parang hindi naman kailangan every episode ako yung bida. Ganun talaga pag Disney princess, di ba? May konting naaapi, ganun. Ganun. So, kulang na nga lang maglinis ako ng sakit. Pero naglinis naman ako ng mirror maraming beses. So, but yeah, I don't think I could have done anything different to make it better because it already was a really, really, really good run. And it's one of the strongest run, I must say.
Yes.
Story-wise, performance-wise, and yeah, I would say I'm very happy with what I was able to show there. So, yeah.
So I guess related to that question, 3 badges, right? I mean, guys, like, medyo malala yun, okay? But like, after you won your second, and the week after, or days after lang, diba? You won your third, and then, how did that feel, the night of winning your third? Ano yung naging dynamics na lahat ba, eh, di bong nagbigay-bugay na sa'yo?
Medyo gano'n yung energy, I would say, na parang ano siya, parang, okay, Eureka moment na siya na parang, okay, it's like clear as day, parang gano'n. Pero still, di ba, we can't really tell what's gonna happen because it's RuPaul's Drag Race. But, like, did you watch the show, Tamar? Pero after nung episode na I won my third badge, and it's like super close to the finale, like isa na lang yung badge, na parang, yeah, parang the energy was just like, parang so clear for me na hindi na ako kinakabahan. Kaya kapag nakita niyo yung performance ko sa Rose, parang wala, sobrang presko ng energy ko, hindi ako kinakabahan kasi parang kahit natanggalin niyo ako sa episode na to, okay na ako. Ano, parang naipanalo ko na yung run ko na kahit na-compare siya sa season 1 run ko. Like, it's unmatched and kayang-kaya siyang, ano mo yun, kayang-kaya siyang dalhin ng 3 badges. So yeah, after that third badge win sa loob, kasi fan talaga ako ng Drag Race. Hindi lang, pero fan ako ng Drag Race. Ako si Asin Betty. Pangalan na to. So for someone to win like 3 badges in a single season on an All-Stars, like, girl, 7 competitive episodes lang yun, and 3 nakuha ko. So like, sobrang laking achievement ng movie. And for us, na kaya siya, possible siya for us, na yung mga tinitingnan nating drag queens na may kaya niya. Kaya din natin. Yeah.
Yes po.
Yung mga audience muna, ito naman, ang dami mong tanong, i-GC mo na lang yan.
Over here, over here. Ayan, so, yeah, we can hotline sa Mike, go ahead. Yes.
Okay, sige.
Hello, I just want to ask, what's your reaction with the edit and the result of your finale lip sync?
Hoy, iba niyo yung mga cellphone nyo. Bawal tong part na to.
Iba ba niya mga cellphone nyo?
Bawal tong part na to. Bawal.
Pag wala din namin kayo pa-uwi.
May mga cellphone sa taas. Hindi, like, tanggap ko naman, like, I don't mind losing talaga. Kasi na-process, like, I lost once before sa Drag Race Philippines and kaya ko naman siyang handle. Like, hindi naman ako bitter, hindi naman ako mahirap kakompetensya, or like, hindi naman ako mahirap pasayahin or palungkotin. Palungkotan. Like, I'm a fucking grown woman. Di ayun, ganun. So, 1 year ko na siyang na-process. Like, 1 year na since nalaman ko kung ano yung magiging takbo ng buhay ko. Takbo ng run ko sa show. And, kagaya nga ng sabi ko kanina ba, Drag Race is Drag Race. Some things can't make it on the edit. It is what it is, you know? Regardless kung merong mang hindi na isama sa edit or naisama sa edit, the decision will not change. Diba? If it's meant for someone else, it's meant for someone else. If they feel like it was meant for someone else, then who am I to change that? I was just there to show up and give them a show. Diba? So, with that in mind, hindi ako masyadong na-shackle, hindi ako masyadong, what the fuck? Ganyan. Uy, nakapag-US lang, tsaka Canada, what the fuck na lang? What the fuck? So ayun, okay naman ako. Oo, hindi kayo okay. Pero yeah, just to, para lang mawala yung mga bubong sa dibdib ko. Yung mga hinanakit ninyo. Okay lang ako. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Okay lang ako. And like, kagaya nga nung sana tama ka. Charot. Like, kagaya nga nung sabi ko, 1 year na siya. 1 year has passed. And now, like even 6 months ago, iba na yung direction ng utak ko. Iba na yung direction ng buhay ko. And I've been planning bigger things. Kaya tayo mga tours, ganyan. So, mas nandun yung headspace ko ngayon. Ayun, yeah, it is what it is. And we're still, like, regardless if I win or like if I make it on the top 2 or not, I'm still gonna do what I'm doing now. With or without the crown, or with or without the top 2 placement, or, diba? Parang, wala namang mangyayari. Ganon. Ano siya parang, yes, yung end goal natin is to win. End goal ko is to win. Pero just like, ano kasi siya parang, anong tawag sa ganon?
Tunnel vision? 2 words, English.
One directional, ano kasi yun? One directional. Linear, ano siya, linear sight siya na okay, crown. Pero when you look at different perspectives, marami pa palang pwedeng ibang gawin, diba? So, kung hindi ko man makuha, at least meron pang ibang mga pwedeng gawin, diba? Touring, sleeping, resting, Miss Universe.
Yes! Miss Covers, diba?
So yun, so okay lang ako, huwag kayong mag-alala. Like, sobrang okay lang ako.
Thank you so much.
Okay lang din yung bank account ko. Yun.
Next
Para
question.
kayo din.
Hindi tayo asasiyo kung para yung sa likod. Yes po.
Sagot ko ba yung tanong?
Hi, Marina.
Yes.
So, we all know na naka-lip-sync mo yung top 3. But is there any of the competitors that you would have wanted to lip-sync against? Kasi alam mo magaling din sila, or, I don't know, but because you wanted to play with them on stage.
Okay. I think it was very clear for me kung sino yung pipiliin ko talaga. Like, I really wanted to perform with Hannah in a lip sync. Siya talaga yung only choice ko for that. Number 1, paano ba itong sasagutin? Telepono.
Go na!
Okay. Go na, tas pa. Away na naman. And then optics-wise, parang for me, sa lahat ng performances, for me, when I watch anything, height talaga is a driving factor when you're lip-syncing to anyone. So, if I lose or if I win, gusto ko super pantay talaga. Walang makakalamang sa height. Parang, kumbaga, hindi ako mas mapapansin dahil mas maliit ako, or hindi siya mas mapapansin dahil mas matangkad siya. Also, nung nakita ko yung mga looks nila, sabi ko, may mga reveal sila. So, nakita ko yung look nila random, sabi ko, parang lalamunin ako nito sa costume department. And si Tia din, alam naman natin, campy girl yun, hindi ko kayang labanan ng gang talaga. So, parang mas scary kapag kami yung umabot ng dulo, sabi ko ganyan. So si Hannah yung pinili ko kasi alam mo yun, also I really wanted to perform with her talaga kasi we will give justice to a fucking song together. So ayun, kinarma ako. Matalo ako.
How about the other queens cast mo? Meron ka bang dream top 2 lip sync sana? You know you would have given an epic show, or feeling mo you were able to lip sync na with some of the best na
from the past. I think Keita is a really, really great performer. Yeah.
Okay. Okay na po. Next question. Yes, yes.
You just mentioned Miss Universe Philippines.
Yes.
So, how did you feel the call to perform? And second, since yung Miss Universe Philippines parang all-stars in yung lineup,
Yes.
who are you rooting for?
Oh my God. Saan mo ako taste na? Sa Scarlet Envy, ano ba siya? Scarlet Envy na lang. Ako alam. Jujubee. Hindi siya. Jujubee. Hindi na natigil si Bakuna. Ano nga yung tanong? Miss Universe Philippines. Okay. So, paano ba to? So, nasa ano ako noon, first day ng Canadian tour ko and they reached out to me. Medyo binombard nila ako kasi they really wanted to get me. So, yan, kinausap ako ng mga directors, like mga, di ba alam mo tawag sa kanila, CEO, COO, something ganyan-ganyan. Basta yung, oo, yung mga boss ng Miss Universe. Ako, Marina, we really want you in Miss Universe Philippines. I think it's gonna be epic if you're there. And like, we really love your song and everything, and like what you represent. And you know, your nod to different facets of Filipino pageantry. So it just, you know, parang, it will all make sense talaga if we have you there. And then sinabi nila sa akin yung date, May 22. So, shit, parang meron ata akong solo tour yan. So, for now, I won't say yes muna. Titignan muna natin kung kaya ng schedule or what. So, kinausap ko si Chris, ganyan. Mami, check mo nga kung kayang i-move yung London or something. Tapos, hindi namin alam kung ano gagawin kasi nga, may bayad na, nakabenta na kami ng ticket sa London sa May 22. Eh, yung May 22 namin, meron siyang 2 days off before and 2 days off after. So medyo parang the universe rather. The universe meaning na, may chance, try nyo. Tas yun, binili ni Miss Universe yung araw, pinamove niya. Because there's no way na gagawin nila yung Miss Universe Philippines without me now. Sabi ni Sir Jonas, kung wala ka din lang sa Miss Universe Philippines, hindi na kami magko-coronation, mag-a-assign na lang kami na. Ano? Ay, wala. Tapos yun, pero hindi pa confirmed and everything. And then, after nung 3 days ako dire-diretso ng tour, Calgary, pagbalik ko ng Vancouver, nagpahinga ako. So, nawagan ako ni Chris. So, yun ako, confirmed na we're able to move and everything, settled na lahat. Kailangan mo lang bumalik ng Philippines, bumalik ng UA, gano'n, para lang ituloy yung tour. Sabi ko, okay lang sa akin yan. Tapos umiyak lang ako. Cry, gano'n. Umiyak ako. Kasi talagang sobrang full circle moment yung sa akin kasi alam to ng nanay ko, nandiyan yung nanay ko. Before, nung bata ako, talagang ginagamit ko yung mga heels niya para rampa-rampa sa kwarto, mag-pageant, mag-binibining, mag-Miss Universe, ganyan. So for me to be able to do that now, na bayad, why not, diba? Sobrang full circle moment niya sa akin. So yun, sobrang meaningful niya sa akin.
Tuloy-tuloy ang blessing.
Tuloy kayo ng ticket para naman sabihin nila sulit.
Next question, feel free to approach the mic. Sige po, lapit po tayo dito. I saw some hands being raised kanina. So pila lang po tayo. Hi!
Hi, I'm Joven and congrats again on your
Thank
run.
you.
And aside from your run, your successful singles and all of your...
So hindi siya singles kung madami.
With SM.
Multiples.
And I was just wondering...
Ang laki naman ng pinchel na to. Ay, sorry. Ang bilis ko ma-distract, no?
So, I was just wondering, do you have any plans in the future that you want to explore? Like, kunyari, you've done hosting, you've done singles. Maybe what do you have that you want to explore?
Politiko daw?
SK.
Nagawa ko na yun, dear. Not once, but twice. Ano ba?
Pa ba?
Acting? Hindi kasi ako magaling umarte. Yeah, probably acting. Pwede namang acting kung wala nang choice. Acting na lang. But I would also love to direct and produce pa rin.
And you have directed a music video recently.
Period.
Yeah.
Ha? Mag-host ng ano?
ASAP.
Mag-host ng
ASAP.
Miss Gay.
Miss Gay.
Barangay.
Mag-asap, no? Pwede mag-asap, no? Oo, pwede tayo mag-asap. Probably Vegas Live, no? Oo, pwede mag-Vegas Live. Isa yun sa mga nilook forward ko. And within reach na siya ngayon, possible na siyang mangyari. So, hopefully, sabay-sabay natin siyang i-manifest at pagtrabahuhan. Ayun. So, i-message nyo yung yung Boss Events or yung World of Wonder na we want Marina in Las Vegas.
Mag-i-reply sila, pumunta ba kayo?
Pag binuksan nila yung profile ninyo, based in the Philippines. Matakan sa yung profile.
Yung troll farm na naman. Okay, next question. Yes.
Okay, hello po. I just wanna say, sobrang talented mo po. As in, like, entrance look nyo pa lang sa PH Season 1, we already knew who the winner is.
Matalo mo ako.
Sorry. Joke lang. Pero
kami.
Ang talented nyo, even especially dun sa, like, every look nyo sa UK versus the world. As in, runway look never below average. As in, super ganda.
Never below. Never below.
Okay, always above average.
So, nag-average.
Ayan. So, always excellent. So, anyway, wala akong tanong. I just wanted to ask, have you gotten any calls, Mama, for All Stars next season?
Wala pa naman so far.
Are you gonna see the Jimbo effect?
I don't know. I'm not Jimbo. I'm Marina. We're gonna see the Marina effect. And we do that every season, I mean. But yeah, hindi naman mag-close yung doors ko. Probably the perfect timing. Because now I just really wanna, kunin lahat ng pinagtrabahuhan ko for the past 2 years.
Correct.
Ay lalabas ko muna yung sarili ko sa competition mode for a while. Kasi it's been 3 years, or almost 4 years na nasa competition mode yung utak ko. So ngayon, I just wanna perform, I wanna tour the world, I wanna meet people, I wanna sell merch, I wanna be rich muna and more famous, and ayun, who knows in the future, for sure in the future, if we get the call, syempre hindi ko sasabihin sa inyo.
Correct.
Pag lumabas yung promo, doon na lang tayo mag-toast-toast. Pero, yeah, I'm not closing my doors naman. I'm always up for I'm always up for new challenges. Elimination? Parang hindi ata ako yun.
Okay na. Nakapapasok tayo dito. Next question.
Naimbag nga Rabihim Marina.
Hello.
I'm Jen from Cagayan Valley.
Hello.
Now that you have brought Filipino drag globally, do you have any plans to elevate drag in your own province, Nueva Vizcaya?
Oh.
Especially the young gay guys are idolizing you and looking up to you right now.
Yeah, I mean, I would love to really kasi hindi ko kaya, hindi ko kaya magbara-barangay. May point. Hindi ko kayang suyurin ang bawat barangay po ng Pilipinas, para sabihin, you were born to do that sa bawat young gay boys. Pero I would love to inspire, you know, yung mga young chikitings na katulad ko before na walang, di ba? So ngayon nakikita naman natin yun. So please keep sharing videos. Ipakita nyo yung iba't ibang klase ng mga drag queens natin sa Pilipinas. Kasi through that, may inspire sila na elevate yung drag. Kasi hindi ko naman kayang pondohan lahat ng mga drag queens, no? Sarili ko naman muna ngayon. But yeah, definitely, like, as a whole, parang gusto kong... As a whole? Any whole? As a whole. Kaya, of course naman, gusto kong ma-elevate yung drag sa Nueva Vizcaya kung meron pa tayong mga queens. Hindi ko kasi alam kung meron tayong queens sa Nueva Vizcaya, aside from me, kasi hindi pa naman ako umuwi ulit. And pag umuwi naman doon talagang family time, out of, like, walang work, just like revisit where I came from, revisit where I grew up. But yeah, I would love to see drag flourish in Nueva Vizcaya, in every single province, hanggang sa, you know, magkaroon na rin tayo ng sarili nating Miss Universe Philippines na meron tayong mga tinitingnan ng mga drag queens per provinces, per cities. Kasi that's the future for us, you know.
Correct.
We have to work hand in hand in order for us to achieve. Ano yung sinasabi ni La Nina? La Nina. Ayun. Thank you.
Next question.
Ay, sige po. Sige po.
From DZRH, next question.
Now that you are booked and busy, may aabangan pa po ba kami the stopover for the next season of Drag Race?
Depende kung hindi na ako booked and blessed.
Which will never happen.
Depende kung sa Pilipinas ako, no?
Correct.
Kung may time tayo para mag-shoot and everything. At kalapagin nyo ulit yung Wow Presents, nagbigyan nila kami ng early screening para makapag-shoot kami ng maraming episodes in one day. Kasi mahirap yung ginagawa namin last year. Parang every week inaantay namin mag-air yung episode bago kami mag-film. And then we only have 2 days to edit, tas minamadali nyo pa kami.
Nasa na po? Matutulog na po kami!
Hirap yung pasayahin. Ayun.
So in a perfect world, yes.
Yeah, in a perfect world, yes, I would love to do it. I'm looking forward for season 4, season 5, kung ano pang mga season na dadating. Pero hanggat kaya, gagawin natin.
Yeah.
Lalaban tayo. Lalaban ako. I-shoot natin yan. Third question. From Bomboradio.
Pag-picture na lang. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Next question. Lapit po tayo. Huwag tayong mahiya. Asa na?
Dami mo kasing tanong, nahiya na tuloy sila.
Pwede namang hindi masyadong malalim yung tanong.
Hi Marina, going back dun sa mga unaired moments mo in Drag Race, can you take us back to the reading challenge? Kung ano yung reads mo towards the other queens?
Nalimutan ko na, oh my God! Yun lang yung naalala ko, honestly, yung nilagay nila sa edit. Kasi yun lang din yung nakakatawa.
Oh, okay.
The rest, kami lang, gano'n. Ano pa ba?
Ilagay ba yung read mo kay Hannah?
Oo. Yung groundbreaking. Charit sa may yung no yung ina. Mas alam mo, magalpak talaga si RuPaul doon ng malalay. Sabi ko, comedy queen. Una pa lang yan. Susunod ko si Gotti, walay.
Yes, next question kayo po. Inaago niyo po yung mic kanina. Yes po. Sorry po
Ano po, parang attorney naman yung kausap mo. Attorney ka ba? Ano? Teacher? Wala lang. Wala lang. Ito lang, normal lang.
So, sinong pinaka-gwapo? Na kasama in person. Sino pinaka-gwapo?
Sino? Ana? Siyempre si Nagal. Okay na?
So magkita kayo ulit in a few weeks.
Yes, in a few weeks. mag-reunion kami. Hirap talaga ng LDR. Bayang mahal ng pamasahe pa uwi. Who knows?
Who knows? Yes, abang-abang. Anyway,
abang na lang.
Maabang na lang. Next question. Po ba? Yes. Sorry. Ay, may boss.
Para tayong nasa ano.
Hi!
Ay, ako po tabi na naupo mo dyan. Bahay mo, be? Bahay mo, be? Di ba pala siya yung kapatid mo na ayaw bumaba? Kapag kami yung reunion, kasi ayaw matanong ng mga tito tsaka tita na kagano. Tapos nag-aabang na lang ng Shanghai tsaka ng spaghetti. Diba?
My question is, since you're still under Tertiary Records and under siya ng star, di ba, ng ABS, would it be possible for a Beanie collab?
Charot! Hindi. Oo, pwede. Actually, kalampagin nyo din yung Beanie. Lahat kinalampag na, no? Yeah, I would love to do something with them kasi they are really like avid and genuine fans of drag. And ang galing-galing nila, no? Ang sarap nakakita ng all Filipino girl group. Iba talaga yung representation, no? Kapag nakita mo yung sarili mo. Hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko sa kanila kasi maganda nila din. Ang liliit ng mukha, diba? Pero grabe, ang ganda makakita ng girl group or like P-pop group na talagang nire-represent ang Filipino features and everything.
Nag-guest na sila sa show.
Yes, nag-guest na sila sa show ko. Sana ako naman mag-guest sa show nila. Sana, no? Uy, balita ko yung concert nila sold out.
Yeah.
Pasap, 3 days. Parang niyayabangan nyo naman ako.
Ito 2 hours lang.
Kung kaya ko lang mag 3 days, kahit Monday mag-show tayo. Pero kayong inaalala ko kasi may mga trabaho kayo, di ba? In-adjust na nga namin ng Sunday para sa inyo. Ayun.
Next question. Meron pa? Yes, my dear.
Hi Marina, congrats ulit.
Huwag nyo naman siya tutukan ng ilaw mo lang mataas para siyang puon siya.
Sa mga queens from Drag Race Philippines, who do you think has what it takes to be the next queen to compete internationally? Bawal safe answers.
Si Mama Pao. Host na agad? Ganun? Diba? Hindi. I mean, lahat naman may chance kasi everybody offers something different. But I would love to see Eva, I would love to see Jade, I would love to see Obi, I would love to see Prince. Siyempre yung mga sisters ko muna. Kami muna. Sino pa ba? Oh, si Precious! Of course, all winners. Si Precious, yes, for sure. Kailangan natin ng representatives sa next all winners. Yes. Kasi hindi naman ako naging winner, so... Dalawang beses na, akala ko mananalo na ako eh. Akala ko magiging Pilipin na winner na ako. Wala pa din.
Last 2 questions. Sige na, ano yung...
Last ka na mamaya.
Malas ka na lang. Diyos ko. Nasa tayo
sa taas.
Sa taas, sorry. Di ba tayo sa taas? Just like, shout question.
Ito, yung mga nakaupo dyan, hawak kayo sa rehas. Tapos ganda kayo ng release me. Ilawan nyo nga sila.
Kung may tanong sa taas, sigaw nyo na lang. Ay, ang hinhin. Okay. Wala, okay. Sige tayo. Yes.
Going back to the Snatch Game, kasi sobrang iconic din yung Snatch Game mo sa season 1 ng Drag Race Philippines.
Okay.
So my question is,
ang layo naman ang pinalikan natin. Pinalimutan mo agad yung...
My question is, una, bakit Manny Pacquiao? Pangalawa, how hard it is to inject Filipino humor to international scene?
Bakit si Manny? Hindi ko nga rin alam. Hindi. Dahil si Manny Pacquiao kasi kilala siya ng lahat. kilala siya globally, and I still wanted to, you know, do a character na kaya kong magkalkal sa bahol ng reference from us and everything. Kasi, you know, if there's something, you know, you do. Huh? If you know.
Wala, drag excellence nyo, wala na, pagod na.
Yung jet lang ko near, malalay. And then, kung may sasabihin ko, hindi, do what you know best. Hindi ko naman best yun. Pero kasi alam ko si Manny Pacquiao. And malapit siya sa physique ko. Kaya kong i-imitate siya, ganyan. Yun lang. And yun nga, kagaya nga ng, hindi, madali namang i-inject yung Filipino humor sa, like, on an international platform. Mahirap lang if, ang breaking point is, magigets ba nila or matatawa ba sila? Kasi madaling mang-dog show, i-English mo lang. Hindi lang nila magigets. Pero madali siyang i-inject. We had a clear plan for Manny Pacquiao talaga na mag-build up yung character niya. Pero the format of the Snatch Game, hindi ko in-expect, and parang hindi ako nabigyan ng chance. Hindi ko nabigyan ng chance yung character na tahakin yung development ng character niya. Kasi nga, mabilis lang siya. Like, ilang questions lang, 2 questions lang.
So, mas mabilis ba yung Snatch Game mo sa UK versus Philippines?
Yes. Oh, okay. Yes. Sa Philippines, matagal namin nag-Snatch Game noon. Kaya buo yung character, diba? Yung sa UK versus the world, ibang format, tapos ang bilis lang, and ibang format talaga siya. So, ayun. Sadly, it didn't work for that format. But I still think it's a good choice. Safe ako, so ayun. Yeah. Ano? Pangit? Alam ko.
Last question. For the audience. Yes, pakisigaw na lang po.
No?
Dugo.
Na-first day ko na siya. Na-first day ko na siya na hindi nila mag-gets. Pero in-explain ko naman, in-explain ko na gets naman nila. Diba? Actually, si Michelle lang naman ata hindi nakagets. Kasi pinagtanggol ako ni RuPaul noon. Pinagtanggol niya ako. Sabi niya, you know what? After nilang sabihin na hindi nila nag-gets yung dugo, sabi ni RuPaul, you know what? I get you. I get your type of drag. You were being an evil queen. You were being an evil queen under the sea. You were being a prince under the sea. And this, oh my God, it's gorgeous. So pinagtanggol ako ni Mother. So nag-gets ni Mother. So yun yung importante, nag-gets ni Mother.
Mother knows
best. Bakit? Ayun. It was a risk choice, but that's the most fun I had on that runway. And sobrang, every time na mag-fitting kami nung dugo, talagang lagi akong excited, lagi akong, basta sobrang excited ko lagi pagka mag-fitting kami nung dugo and everything. So, yeah, I think it served its purpose. Yeah. And it was iconic, nevertheless.
And yung third look sa ball, she had the best design look. I mean, come on. She's a seamstress.
Or so she says.
Okay, final question po ni Mr. Paul Sese. Yung intellectual question, no?
In line with your iconic accent.
Ano line yan?
If you were given the chance to write something on the mirror for the rest of the class, what would it be?
What is 4 plus 4? 8. Doubling ang 8.
Hindi ka na naman.
No, ang isusulat ko, it's not the crown, it's me. PayPal ko, yung Paymaya ko. QR code, idodrawing ko yung QR code. Yun na lang.
Yun na lang. But that's it for the Q&A. Palakpakan natin. One last message before you go and before we take a break. Everybody's, kahit 2 weeks lang tapos yung show, everybody's here. We sold out in 2 hours. Thanks to everybody here.
Yeah, I mean, thank you so much for being part of this journey. Kahit na mag-isa ako doon na lumaban, parang hindi ako mag-isa dahil sa support niyo from day one. Up until now, na wala ng show, you're still here. We're still standing. And yun naman, I mean, hindi naman that's a story natin. It's open-ended. It's not yet done. We still have a few fights left to fight. So yeah, thank you so much. I hope, use this energy, use this passion you have online to redirect it to the right energy. Support Marina, support all the girls, and just keep Filipino drag visible online. So, ayun, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Lalaban tayo. Ipapanalo natin. Mukhang magpupolitiko na lang ako, no? Talaga. Ganyan ako. Sino nakalagay? Happy New Year. Marina, Congressman Marina. Congresswoman.
She's a woman. Palakpakan natin guys, Marina Summers, everyone! Thank you. So we are going to take a quick 15-minute break or so, then we'll be back for the second set of performances. Thank you so much. We'll see you in a bit.